Billions of UPI taps, oceans of reels, endless streaming hours, AI tools everywhere, creators multiplying, businesses going fully online. The old digital skeleton simply cracked. It couldn't carry the weight of a country generating more data in one day than it once did in an entire year. And at that moment, India didn't quietly enter the race. It exploded onto the track, sprinting faster than anyone expected, building server cities, power corridors, cooling jungles, and fiber highways that now form the scaffolding of a digital civilization.